guys, my name is Rebekah, never Becky, and we're talking about quarantine today. We're talking about mental health today. I am definitely worried that some people are just not taking this situation well. I actually had a friend that reached out to me and she just explained her feelings, which are totally reasonable. A lot of people right now are losing jobs behind, you know, coronavirus, and the social distancing is also very wearing on people. I know me, I'm a socialized person. I love to socialize. I love getting out. I like being social. And so the fact that I'm confined to my house is just like, what? So I understand the stress, and I just want to vocalize to you guys that you're not alone. We're all going through this together, you know, and I just want to make sure, like, if you're mentally not okay with everything that's going on, reach out to someone, a professional for sure, and talk about your feelings. Don't sit in your home and feel crazy and stay listening to the media. The media will send you into a frenzy. So try to just relax and take it day by day and don't overthink it. But in the meantime, I will be creating these beautiful looks. You know, I'm creating these looks for my living room, so I can go into my living room and see no one there. I'm also creating this look for my bedroom. You know, I'm creating a lot of different looks for my different parts of my home, so I can walk into it and feel like I'm socializing with my chairs. So if you want to watch this video, please stay tuned. There will be more of these. Clearly, I have nothing else to do. Bye, guys. Right into this video, I do want to let you guys know about this moisturizer my cousin actually sent me, and I fell in love with it, so I want you guys to fall in love with it. It's called Ultra Repair Cream. It's First Aid Beauty. That's the brand. It sells at Ulta. I'm not sure what it costs, guys. It was a gift that my cousin sent me, but when I tell you, this is the most perfect kind of hydrating, moisturizing cream. It's not tacky on the skin at all. I don't feel like it's tacky. It's just like, some creams are just like that and I don't like to put them on my face, but this melts into your skin beautifully. Just again, if you guys are looking for maybe new moisturizers, some that are, this is actually friendly for people that have, you know, sensitive skin. Again, it's called First Aid Beauty. How can you go wrong? But definitely I would do the research, see if it works for you. But again, I swear by this. I love it. It hydrates my skin. It just locks in the moisture. I can feel it. And it doesn't sit on the skin. I love it. It doesn't take long to rub in. So if you're looking for it and you have sensitive skin, I think this is something you need to look at. If you want to know more about it, I'll leave information below. But I'm going to go ahead and get started in this video. I will be using NARS foundation for this video. Again, I'll leave that information below. So I'm going to go ahead, and you guys know my handy dandy tool that helps me distribute out this foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead under the eyes, and I'm just gonna continue blending out this foundation on my face. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is, now that I've applied my Clinique concealer, I went ahead and also bronzed my face with my Fenty Coconutty. As you guys can see, I love this Coconutty. It gets the job done where, you know, even if you're touching up, it's never too much. I do feel like if you're using her darkest shade, it's more on the red tone, and you can definitely lose your face with this one. Just because it's more on the red side than it is on the neutral. This one's more neutral, so I like it a lot better. And I use it right here against my hairline, and I work my way down. Sometimes I use a circular motion to go upwards. It just depends on how much I'm trying to get on my face and how quickly, honestly. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna apply some to the nose, the bridge of my nose as well. But, you know, back to what I was saying, I'm so bored being at home that, you know, I'm just kind of making up my own thing. What about you guys? Are you guys out there getting bored enough that you're starting like your own maybe YouTube channel? Are you guys out there, you know, building rockets? I don't know. Tell me. I'm bored. I want to know I want to hear what you're up to. I'm gonna go on my beauty blender and just kind of like, you know, marinate the face a little bit together. That way we don't have any kind of harsh lines happening. But I am losing my mind, and yes, I really get dressed and ready to go and sit in my living room praying for someone to invite me to their house so I can just show up looking like, yes, girl, where are you going? Aren't we quarantined right now? And I'm like, yes, I got dressed for your living room. I have nowhere else to go. Why not? This is a perfect opportunity to get dressed for the living room. I'm gonna go ahead and with my Fenty Banana setting powder, I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes so when I start to do my, I put it in wrong. Guys, I put it in wrong. So it's stuck upside down. I can't get it out. How fun. Oh my gosh, I just ruined my Fenty powder. Whew. How do I get this out? I put it upside down. It's really stuck in there. Can you guys see this? It's really stuck in there. Like, this is the part that's supposed to be the opposite way down. But I don't know what I was thinking, and I put it upside down, and now I'm having to claw my way back in here. Oh my gosh, no! Okay guys, so I left a little setting powder on my face so you guys can see that I do that purposely, because if I have like really loud colors, a lot of shimmers, this Jaclyn Hill palette, this one here I'm gonna be using, and sometimes they just have fallout, and so I'm just protecting my already worked really hard for face by leaving the setting powder on. I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's palette as well. These are my favorite palettes to reach for, especially the Juvia's palette. The color payoff is beautiful. I'm saddened that I didn't get more. I probably am gonna order some more very soon because I just feel like I don't know when the mail will stop. And I'm already getting alerts that, you know, the things that I've already ordered, there's gonna be a delay to them. So I'm waiting on a lot of things to come in the mail, and it really, that worked better. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be using actually from the Jaclyn Hill 2 palette. I'm gonna be using No Joke, simply because I just need this particular color to start my look. So, but majority of the colors I will be using will be from her Volt palette, which is her other Jaclyn Hill, in Juvia's Place. And I will be leaving you guys all the information below. I'm gonna go ahead and get started right here in my crease bone. And I'm gonna just blend this out. It's such a pretty yellow. I don't know why I'm like wanting to do yellow, but I guess there's no sun right now, so I wanted to have sun on my face. That's probably why I got a yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my setting spray, guys. My Urban Decay setting spray. I really, really love this setting spray, and I love the way it smells. It's kind of a clean smell to it. I love it. I'm gonna go in with my REBEKAH Topaz. I'm gonna start applying that to my cheeks now because I couldn't open this, so never mind me. I'm just gonna add that, as you guys can see, just right there. And as well, I'm gonna do the same here. Run it down my nose. I'm now gonna use my, as soon as I find it, my friend actually taught me this trick, is you get 2 of your browns and you make an ombre. I would have literally never thought of this until she told me about it. And so that's what I'm doing now, is just taking these 2 colors, and I don't need a lip liner for this because the darker color does kind of play as your lip liner. And that's that. Yes, guys, I did all this for my living room, believe it or not. I'm gonna actually go in with mascara. It's Voluminous Million Lash, whatever. It's from L'Oreal. I'm just tackling my own lashes so they can cohesively talk to each other. Right in the lash, as you guys can see. I'm looking downwards so I can actually see my lashes and I can help them out a little bit. And I'm gonna just do that same thing with this second eye here. I'm just gonna be using my mascara to just merge my actual lashes and my falsies together. So it can look like they're mine and not like I just put on lashes and called it a day. I'm gonna do the same thing at the bottom of my lashes. I'm gonna really make this look, guys. This is the finished look. I love this look. I have nowhere to go and I thoroughly enjoyed creating this look for you guys. Again, my lashes, if you're wondering where I got them from, I actually just ordered them through Ulta since Ulta's closed, and they are actually really timely on their delivery. So if you guys are needing makeup, don't forget you can order online. But I got my Remy lashes from Ardell and they are beautiful. They really bring the look like completely together. And I'm absolutely not going anywhere. I will be in my living room talking to my pillows like they're people because I can't go outside and play with my friends. So this is what I'm doing. I am just in my house making conversation with items, and I will be watching TV thoroughly with some type of glass in my hand. Until then, I'll be drinking my tea